Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another 3D printing video, so let's get cracking. Friends, today we are going to use the built-in search to find some awesome projects. So I have a lesson about making tops, and this is where if I search for top, I can see that there are 25 more to pick from. This is where you also find out if you named things right. Now this is my top of Mount Pisgah, which is pretty darn awesome. Let's click on Tinker this so you can see how it looks. It is super simple. We have got a cone and another cone and then a paraboloid, and of course I've got the words top of Mount Pisgah. Now I climb Mount Pisgah each day and I leave little trinkets there as a scavenger hunt. This is one that always cracks me up because it is a top and I put it at the top of Mount Pisgah. Friends, I had trouble printing these on some of the printers at school while using Cura. They rattled around and they fell off. Today we're going to give this a go on my Sovol SV06. Of course, if you're interested in the tutorial, I'll have a link to it right up here. This is Cura 5.4. Of course, we're going to hit open, and when I type top, we can go down and find the top of Mount Pisgah. Right there it is. When we hit open, bingo, there is our design. Now, as I said, I had trouble with this toppling over, so let's move over here to our settings. I'm going to keep my layer height of 0.28, wall thickness of 0.8, top and bottom 1.2, infill of 15. I'm going to do lines. Right now it's set for PET G. I'm going to switch that to PLA, generic, PLA. Now when I recalculate, it'll switch to PLA temperatures. I am going to change this to 200. I'm going to keep the temperature of 60, print speed of 60. Retraction is fine. I'm not worried about Z-hop. I do not want support. I am going to use raft. Now I want to see how much raft is being used, so I'm going to type raft up here, and you can see it's an extra margin of 3, which is what I prefer. Now let's get that SD card attached, and there it pops up so we can hit save to removable disk. Of course, when we're done, safely eject, and let's take it to the 3D printer. Now, unfortunately, I screwed up and I lost the first chunk of footage, but here you can see it is printing absolutely fantastic. The Sovol SV06 and Cura 5.4 had no issues, even though it's printing on that stem. Now, once again, this is a print-in-place top. With the settings we used, it took about 45 minutes. That's one of the things I love about this lesson in a classroom, is that if you've got several printers, you can have a bunch of these printing at once. Obviously, those steps I showed you in Tinkercad, it is a pretty simple design, and there is a ton of room in the tutorial for you or your students to totally customize these fun Tinkercad tops. Make sure you keep an eye on the cards in this video. I'll have the actual champion from our classroom test. Alright everybody, so there you can see Tinkercad top. Once again, it is the top of Mount Pisgah. And of course, friends, a quick spin test. How cool is that? Down goes Frazier. Friends, of course, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Don't forget, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.